Thongs are a great choice for avoiding panty lines and can be comfortable once you get used to them. There are three main styles: traditional thongs, which offer full coverage in the front and narrow at the back, G-strings, which have very thin fabric and a narrow waistband, and tanga samba thongs, which provide more coverage while still minimizing lines. It's important to choose the right fabric, with cotton being the most breathable option, while lace and silk can also be stylish alternatives. When wearing a thong, ensure it doesn't rise above your belt line and be mindful of potential visibility when sitting or bending. To maintain hygiene, change your thong daily and consider avoiding them if you're prone to infections or during periods of illness. While thongs can be a fun and practical option, it's best to rotate them with other underwear types for comfort and health.